Alright guys, real quick again, 2016 Tahoe, the exhaust was loading up, okay? And what I mean by loading up is I was getting a noise going down the road, right? So, I looked under here, and let's see, this is upside down, you're gonna hate me. Okay, I seen the clamp sounded like there was a rattle. So the new clamp made it a little quieter, but it still sounded like we had an exhaust noise. So what I found was this little doomerhickey. Okay, it moves, right? Think about old school. Okay, so if this loads up, well, okay, this rusts because it's in the exhaust, right? Just like the old chokes on the old trucks. Anyway, this one is for the cylinder shutdown, so it has more compression. So as it stays closed, you have more compression, more back pressure. And so, see how it was froze. Anytime I would be cruising at 30 or 40, you could hear it loading up, making noise. So I took a wrench, loosened it up. More than likely I'm gonna wire it right open, but just wanted to let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Bye.